Hey, Ada, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. Well, taking a look at your site and looking at the back end and everything, you're doing pretty damn well. But let's just take a look. So you got your nice header here, you got your logo, you got your click to call, of course, your location because you're in store. And then, of course, going through, you have your different floors that you work with, as well as the process that you take, as well as you've been around forever, which is amazing. Um, and then, of course, different projects that you've worked on so that they can look at and, as you say, get inspired. And then, of course, you got, hey, what are you looking to do so we can get in contact with you and um, start working with you. So taking a look at this, you got a lot going on. I don't see a ton of words on your site. I only see a lot of pictures. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is more content driven. So they want 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage alone, so that you can put keywords throughout your content. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word someone's putting into Google to find your services. So before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes. So, well, the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. So, two things are your UR and your DR rating. So, the UR rating is the strength of your site, and the DR rating is the trustable places in your website. Now, ideally, we want these both in between 30 and 40. That's with the ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way you get that is with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a very spammy website. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? Now, I'm going to be honest, you're doing awesome. For all these buyer intent words, flooring Tucson, Tucson flooring, flooring stores, all of them, as you can see, you're in the top 2 or 3. So great job. um, and you're getting that traffic. Of course, not number 1 yet, but then you move down a little bit in some of them. But you are on the top of the front page, which is awesome. So if we check this out, Flooring Tucson, you're also on the G&B, which is great as well. You're gonna have your complete flooring, AA, and then your Yelp review, and then that's you. So you're still a little bit farther down than is ideal. However, you're still in the top 3, which is great, which is why you're still seeing that traffic. However, if we are looking to beat out your competition, which is Complete Flooring Tucson, so if you look at their site, they have a very similar site to yours. They just have more reviews in there. They're not doing too much either. But what they are doing behind the scenes is they have a stronger site behind the scenes. So they have a higher UR rating, so they're stronger with 34 and trust with a 7. So they're doing pretty well with that. As well as you had 1.27, they have 1.26, but it's quality over quantity. So they have a lot of strong, good backlinks helping them along, which is why they have that URDR rating that's higher than yours, even though they're the same. And because of that, they have about the same layout as you, but because they have a stronger website in general, they're going to have the more traffic coming through because they're number 1 and people are going to go to them more. So I would say if you're looking to beat them out, first things up, I would get some more backlinks, but I would go over to your competition and see what their strongest backlinks are and add them to your own. And that'll help raise the URDR because if it's working for them, it'll work for you. As well as a little more content so you can explain the buyer intent words that you have right now, which are amazing. I wouldn't change what you have as far as buyer intent words. I would just add some more content so Google knows, so Google can say, hey, they're trying to rank for A, B, and C, and they'll help a little more with that. But it's more backlinks. You want to just get a stronger site. And then once you do that, you should slowly but surely you'll start beating you'll start getting into the second and third positions instead of the third and fourth. Now, Ada, or it's Ada. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. But it seems like your website is going strong, and yeah, you're doing pretty well. You have a blessed rest of your day.